In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cutout image into a circle in Canva. This is a quick, clean way to create circular profile photos, avatar-style images, or rounded graphics for your designs without any complicated editing. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure you're on the canvas where you want the circular image to appear, and take a moment to look at the left-hand sidebar. That's where you'll find most of the tools you need for this. If your photo is already part of your project, you're all set to place it inside a circle. To create the circle effect, you won't crop manually, you'll use a frame. Frames in Canva are special placeholders that automatically mask your image into a shape, and they make the process incredibly simple and reusable. Head to the Elements tab on the left. Inside Elements, look for the Frames section. If you don't immediately see it, scroll a bit within Elements until Frames appears. Once you're there, select the simple circle frame. You'll recognize it by its round outline and a subtle pattern inside that shows it's ready to hold an image. Click the circle frame to add it to your canvas. You can drag it to the exact spot where you want your circular image to live and resize it by dragging the corners. Don't worry if it looks empty right now. That's exactly how a frame should look before you add a photo. Now, bring your image into the frame. Find your photo in your project's sidebar and simply click and drag the image over the circle. As you hover over the frame, you'll see it highlight slightly to show it's ready to accept the photo. Release the mouse, and the image will snap perfectly into that circular shape. If the photo doesn't look centered the way you like, just click on the image inside the frame and drag it around within the circle to adjust the crop. You can also use the corner handles on the frame to make the circle larger or smaller without distorting your image. And that's it. You've added a cutout image into a circle using Canva's circular frame. This method is non-destructive, which means you can swap the image later, reposition it, or resize the frame at any time without losing quality. It's a clean, consistent approach that keeps your design flexible and professional. Give it a quick try in your project, and you'll see how fast and reliable this technique is every time you need a polished circular image.